Foods to avoid and to include in keto diet. Foods to avoid. Anything high in carbs should be avoided, of course. But what foods, exactly, have carbohydrates? Here's a short list. Sugars. Cake, candy, sodas, sweetened drinks, fruit juices, smoothies, etc. Check the nutrition label if you're not certain. Grains, starches, anything made with wheat, bread, cookies, etc., pasta, rice, cereals, oats, etc., root vegetables, potatoes, carrots, parsnips, sweet potatoes, etc., fruit. Basically, any fruit except small portions of berries. And watch trail mixes with dried fruit in them, low-fat or diet products, low-fat mayonnaise, salad dressings, condiments, etc., artificial sugars, sugar-free candies, puddings, sodas, sweeteners, etc., alcohol, beer, wine, mixed drinks, etc., some condiments, ketchup, honey mustard, barbecue sauce, teriyaki sauce, etc., unhealthy fats, processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, etc. Foods to include. One good trick to this diet is to eat whole, single-ingredient foods without all the sauces or dressings. Here are some specific foods you definitely can eat on a keto diet. Meats. Red meat, like steak or beef roast, ham, bacon, sausage, chicken, turkey, etc. Fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, trout, and mackerel. Eggs. Pasture-raised, free-range, or omega-3 whole eggs, butter and cream. Grass-fed butter and heavy cream, cheeses. Unprocessed cheese like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella, avocados. Either whole or in freshly made guacamole. Low-carb vegetables. Green veggies, tomatoes, peppers, onions, etc. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, etc. Healthy oils. Extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, condiments, salt, pepper, herbs, and spices, natural sweeteners, erythritol, monk fruit, or stevia.